primary cover.
No, it's not the primary cover.
And what is it? What is it, Leo?
It's not the primary cover.
We're doing something a little different. So this is still not really sure what's going on. I think the clutch is stuck at this point. Hear me out. I've checked under the clutch inspection cover, the little flanges on the primary cover. Those are good. No cracks. Tried adjusting the clutch multiple times to no avail. Can't seem to get the clutch ramp to be 180 from the tang or the little notch that's on it. So I think that's where my problem lies. I think the clutch is stuck. So I've read somewhere that the clutch, if it sits too long, it gets stuck, and it could cause problems. I checked the adjusting screw, bearings, and that whole assembly. They're fine. Yeah, I think I just need to pull it apart, see if that's the issue, because I'm getting nowhere with this, and sitting around doing nothing is not helping either.
Wait a minute. This is, excuse me, a damn fine cup of coffee. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present. Don't plan it, don't wait for it, just let it happen. It could be a new shirt at the men's store, a cat nap in your office chair, or 2 cups of good, hot...
Let's take a good look. So, that looks completely fine. The primary chain tensioner looks good to me. Even this spindle here for the gear shifter, pressure plate for the clutch looks good. The clutch basket doesn't seem to have any signs of wear, as far as I can tell. What about this? Let's take a look. Alright, so on the primary cover, these flanges are something that tends to break. Those look good. I'm not really sure what's going on. Granted, I have no idea what I'm doing anyway, and I can follow directions, but maybe I just misread something here. I can't seem to figure it out. It worked beforehand, so my guess is the clutch plates are stuck from not being used. Comment down below if you have any idea of what I am doing wrong, or what I should do next. It's gotta be something. Like, I obviously messed something up or missed something. If anyone has any ideas, please let me know.
I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present. Don't plan it, don't wait for it, just let it happen. It could be a new shirt at the men's store, a cat nap in your office chair, or 2 cups of good, hot, black coffee. Like this. A present. Like Christmas. Oh, man, that is the spot. Nothing like a great cup cup of black coffee.
So things are a little bit better, not 100%, but it's rolling a little bit smoother. Helps having an extra hand. Leo thinks maybe since there's no gear oil in there, that's causing some friction, making it harder to adjust. I don't think it's affecting it that significantly, considering we're just moving it back and forth like a couple inches at most. Maybe I'm wrong. What do I know? Got some purple haze. It's pretty good. Well, at least I'm learning something to do. I don't know. So that's where it sits currently. And that's as loose as it goes. And then OEM bar has no adjustment here. It's fine. My guess is the clutch discs or plates or whatever are getting stuck from sitting while I did all the work up here. That's my theory, but not 100%. I don't know. So we're gonna scratch everything that I said before. We think we gotta adjust it as much as we can, but we need to add fluid and then like fine tune it. I don't know. Hopefully. What? What do you want? Luna? What do you want? Come here. Come here, Luna. What? You're silly. What, do you want to go inside? Fine. So
warmed up.
Alright, so I gotta close that up and just let the bike run and warm up and then take it off and adjust it.
Are you in gear?
I don't remember. Yeah. I should be in first.
It's a little tight, but it's not fully engaged in gear.
First start in idle.
Keep going with that.
Can I just go for it?
Yep.
You're neutral, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Car running? No.
Yep.
Yeah.
It runs.
Barely. You need a new battery.
I know. That'll be next. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Check out. Bye.
Okay, bye. Not sure that's any good. Not sure if that's the valve noise hitting something or what. Oh, this is great. Oh, yeah, this is great. Bike's running. There are some things I need to button up, obviously. I haven't even tried shifting it into gear. We'll see how that goes. But this is sort of all I have time for today. Going out with Agnes to dinner for her cousin's birthday, something like that. So I gotta turn off the bike and get going, but comment if I'm missing anything or if that ticking noise is something to be concerned about. Worst case scenario, blow up the bike. Yeah, comment below, tell me what you think. I know there's some things I need to fix and just finish up on the bike, but major steps, major milestones. Definitely gonna need to either rebuild or replace that starter sometime soon, and I need a new battery. Anyway, thanks guys. It's been a long road so far. Glad you stayed with it. See you next time.